welcome back to the Forest Kid. I'm Matthew, and today I'm gonna show you how to make a ridgeline. Ridgeline is basically just a rope that's between two trees for your tarp. And you have your rope, and I'm gonna be making a ridgeline from this tree to this tree. This rope can extend to over to here, I think, about, if they're not. But I'm going to show you how to make it so it doesn't touch the floor when it's hung up. I'm going to do that first. But first, you're going to need some toggles. You're going to need 2 toggles. This is one. And I don't know any name of the knots. You want to do a bowline knot, or a overhand loop. This is an overhand loop. This is a bowline knot. So do it whatever you want. Then I start out some cordage. How you do it, you take it through the loop, then you hang it through like this. You take your stick, toggle, and firmly get it like that. Then take it and start running it to the second tree. Here. Now here, you add as much tension as possible, but try to do it on an even level. It's probably down here, like that. And higher, about that. That's about one level. Like that. Then take it and do it like this. So wrap it over and back on itself around the tree right here, and now do it a second time. Same thing. Around itself. So tighten it back on itself, then a second time. See, over, under, back on itself. Like this. And now you're back on the same picture you were before. Yeah, tighten it a little bit more. Do the guitar test. This one is fine. A little bit more. Yeah, like that. Yeah, more like it. Then here, you do it. You twist it like this. Then this is the donkey tail. This is the shed. This is the donkey. This is the shed. The shed is up here, and the donkey needs to go in the shed. So in the shed, he goes right here, and then tighten the loop. Sometimes can be tricky. Just loop, and now in your second toggle, right here, slide it through and tighten it. Do the guitar test. This is fine. Done better, but now this is touching the floor. And you do not want it to just be like that. So one thing that you can do is basically weaving. So one thing you do is this. Circle this one. Basically the same thing that I did here, right here, but without the toggle. And I take this is going to be the toggle. And I'm pushing it here like this. And I'm tightening it. Do that again and again, just like this. Doing it quite fast. Right here. And then when you get to here, you can tighten it and just do this. Keep tightening it, and until that, start doing this once. So here it goes in, tighten it. That's not gonna fall or anything. Then when you're putting the shelter down and you need to unweave this, you just pull this out and pull it. That's it. So your normal rope, which can actually almost double itself on this ridgeline. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next week.